Hello, I'm Elizondo, partner at Quatro Legal. I advise investors, developers, and real estate professionals on land use and regulatory strategy in Costa Rica. If you operate in the South Caribbean market, the new Maritime Zone regulation in Talamanca is not just a legal update, it's a structural shift. This is about how deals are evaluated, positioned, and executed going forward. Today, I will outline what matters and why. The municipality has established a formal framework to regulate use permits within the Maritime Zone. This operates as a transitional system while the coastal zoning plan remains pending. In practical terms, it creates legal structure where uncertainty previously dominated, and in some cases, these permits may later transition into formal concessions. This is strategic groundwork. This applies to any individual or entity requesting a use within the Maritime Zone of Talamanca. You are directly impacted if you occupy property, develop property, transfer rights, represent buyers or sellers. If you are active in this market, this regulation now shapes your risk profile. Applicants must provide a formal request stating intended use, identification or corporate documentation, a registered survey map, proof of Social Security compliance, a municipal certification confirming no superior right holder, and a sworn statement. This is a structured legal process. Preparation and sequencing matter. Permits will not be granted to foreigners with less than 5 years of legal residency, foreign corporations, properties under dispute, properties within recognized indigenous territories. If indigenous land may be affected, consultation and consent procedures are mandatory. In the South Caribbean, this is not procedural, it's foundational. Every transaction must be evaluated through this lens. The occupation fee is calculated based on municipal valuation maps, tax authority values, intended use, environmental factors, when applicable, Ministry of Finance valuation zones. The general rate is 0.25% of the land value. This is formula-based, not discretionary. Formalization increases legal certainty, marketability, buyer confidence, closing probability. When a property in the Maritime Zone lacks structure, negotiations stall. When properly structured, the transaction gains momentum. Clarity reduces friction. If you're listing, acquiring, or advising on property within the Maritime Zone, the difference lies in structure. At Quatro Legal, we help clients assess regulatory exposure, anticipate constraint, and position transactions strategically. Because in this market, strategy is as important as location.
Quatro Legal. We care.